The back of the frog brooch is a brooch clasp. Let's take a look at our drawings. For the drawings, we can cut along the solid line and cut along the solid line. Before we cut it, we can take a photo first because the dotted line to cut it off. Take a photo so we can check the position later because the dotted line is suspended. So in this place, the dashed line is not drawn as for the patterns line and blushes are fixed the entire frog's head. Wool. So there is no solid line. First, take the scissors. Along the solid line, cut off the entire head of the frog. After cutting, we'll put the cut fabric on our foam table. There are 3 rubbing needles next to the foam table. There is anti-rust oil on the rubbing needle. Use a tissue to wipe off the anti-rust oil. Rub and prick. Next, we take out the green wool. Pay attention to the lighter green and lay it flat on our cloth. Note our entire frog brooch has a thickness. The thickest part is the middle about position. About 8 to 1 centimeter. The bottom is estimated to be about 5 centimeters. We put our frog cloth on the cloth. To lay it and on, spread let's the wool. Take a look at the wool. It's fluffy at first. Press and pinch it. You can feel the approximate thickness. When we feel it's enough, we take the needle to fix the laid wool. On the non-woven fabric, the method of rubbing wool is relatively simple. Just insert the needle vertically and pull it out vertically and pull out diagonally. The cloth will be a little harder when rubbing. If it's a bit hard, lower the needle slowly. If it's hard below, if you insert the needle quickly, it's easy to break the needle. When rubbing, we should rub it evenly and smoothly. We should often lift the cloth. If we don't take it up, it will easily stick to our foam table. After rubbing it tightly in the middle, you can feel the thickness. If the thickness is not enough, because our little frogs are in the middle, is higher. If the thickness is not enough, we continue to lay the wool on top. Continue to spread it in the middle. Knead the laid wool tightly. Next, we'll fold the excess wool next to it. Along the edge of the cloth. Along the edge. Fold it down. Fold and poke as you go. Fix it. After all the wool is spread to the bottom is not very flat. We can lay a layer of wool to poke the uneven part of the bottom. To make it smoother, rub the wool tightly. After fixing it, we turn it over to knead the entire shape tightly. Now this one is fluffy and this one is tight. We need to make the fluffy one to make it firm. Shape it while rubbing. Rubbing the wool will take a little longer. Be patient when rubbing. and the sides should be compact. After fixing, our size will be similar. Then we take out the green wool. Roll it into a ball with 2 eyes. The diameter of the 2 eyes, about 1.2 centimeters in diameter. Take the green wool. Be careful not to use too much. Then roll it up. Fold it into a square. Knead it tightly and rub smoothly. The sides inward into a circle. After folding it into a square, rub the 4 corners into a circle. Pay attention to the size of the 2 eyes. And thickness should be the same. Rub both sides. Insert and pull out the needle vertically. Insert and pull out at an angle. The side position should also be rubbed tightly and flat. After fixing, we take it out. Rub the white wool to make the whites of the eyes. Take a small amount of wool, just a little bit. Then, put it on our green eyes. To rub and poke. The edge line should be smooth. When rubbing, make sure the circle is round. The white scleral circle should be smaller than the green circle. Rub and make it round. After fixing the white part, we take a little bit of black. Just a little bit of black is needed. A little. Then, in the middle position, poke the eyeball. In this way. And then our eye is done. We need 2 eyes. Then we fix them in the eye position. When fixing, we take out the glue stick. Heat it up and apply a little bit to the bottom, just a little bit. Then fix it. After fixing it, we take it out. Dark green. Rub out the pattern on the body. The position and size of the pattern are the same. It needs to be symmetrical. Then we take out the black wool and twist it into a long strip and poke out the mouth. MM. After fixing it, and then poke out to nostrils. The nostrils should be smaller and use less wool. Then take peach pink and make a blush. After the blush is fixed, we have completed the whole process. Next, we will install the accessories. For the accessory installation, we take out our needles and a brooch cap. Take the glue stick. Then apply a little glue to the bottom of the needle and fix it on the back of the brooch, a little above the middle. Press it with your hand. Then take green wool. Pay attention to a smaller area and don't spread it too much. Rub it on the foam table and poke the middle part firmly. Then, and lay it on the position of our pin. Next, rub the wool tightly. Smooth. Be careful to insert the needle shallower and don't insert it too deeply. If the needle is inserted
It's
too
easy
deeply
to poke the wool.
the front side of it will look rough from the front. So, when we cover this part, we should insert the needle shallower. Then poke the wool that has been covered and poke it tightly and smoothly. In this way, our brooch is done. Next, let's take out our brooch cap. The brooch cap has two small leaves. These two small leaves, we can pinch them like this and then put it in. So it won't you can only pick it up by pinching it. In this way, our frog brooch is completed.